See, this is why I was not supposed to do a wedding speech at all, because I messed it up so bad. But don't worry, you are blessed with a great marriage. Guys, this is a weird question.
What?
Yeah.
I'm blocking it. Let me see it.
Okay.
Did you do it? You did. Go to the next one. Hold on. Sorry.
I have to lose. This is the world's tiniest violin playing.
You're in one of those moods today, aren't
I am.
That's good. I know it's Disney and all, but I don't want to slip it during the way. Anyway,
Megan.
so this is the last season of.
I'm sorry. Megan, that's my publicist. She's very professional.
Constant.
It's you shirtless. Can we put it up again, please? Because it's not Photoshop.
Murdered the song.
That is so embarrassing. Oh my god.
Singing!
Of course.
Seriously.
Yeah. Shorter. Okay.
Introducing Luxury's Most Wanted, the first ever Infinity.
We're on video.
Anything about it.
Yo, that's so funny.
we were in London. I was
Usher.
Okay.
I don't No, it's just
Coming to Pinocchio Bieber.
Right. I mean,
and nah, but
what's next?
Small advantage. Little bit.
just kidding. That was a good one though. I'm gonna use that one more often. Yeah.
Are you? I mean, when did you?
Yeah. That was good.
His man from Justin, he's the one.
I have no clue.
We're gonna see Justin.
Take it easy. Don't freak him out by tackling him. That is a turnoff. Is that pretty? I figured you would.
Basically.
Ouch.
No. Not at all. No.
What? Do? I'm considerably old.
It's very self-explanatory. That was kind of the self-answer.
Like 5 years ago.
I think. No.
People screaming.
Your mom's in the room.
Impossible. You couldn't be.
You did.
Yeah.
I like that laugh.
Close my eyes.